Today we'll learn about the Criss-Cross method for writing chemical formulas. This is a simple but powerful technique used to write formulas for ionic compounds. Let's break down the three main steps of this method. First, we write the symbols of the ions with their charges. Second, we crisscross these charges to create subscripts. Finally, we write and simplify the resulting formula. Let's look at our first example, magnesium chloride. First, we identify our ions. We have magnesium, which has a charge of +2, and chloride with a charge of -1. Now, let's crisscross these charges. The +2 from magnesium crosses over to become chloride's subscript, and the -1 from chloride becomes magnesium's subscript. In our final step, we can simplify this formula by removing the subscript of 1, giving us MgCl2 as our final formula. Let's try a more complex example. Aluminum sulfate. Here we have aluminum with a +3 charge, and sulfate, which is a polyatomic ion with a -2 charge. Again, let's crisscross the charges. The +3 from aluminum becomes the subscript for sulfate, and the -2 from sulfate becomes aluminum's subscript. Here are some important things to remember when using the crisscross method. First, always use parentheses around polyatomic ions when they have a subscript. Second, make sure you start with the correct charges. And finally, always simplify your subscripts if possible. And that's the crisscross method. With practice, you'll find this is a quick and reliable way to write chemical formulas for ionic compounds.